problem right from the off here when you're drawing Fibonacci here. So she's assumed, well, she's drawing it from the wrong position. You would draw it from the swing low, and you would assume that this has come to an end, and there's no indication here that this is now going to be a swing high. There's no indication. You can't just go off this spinning top and say, yeah, that's a swing high. So she's saying, and then you're getting at between 0.5 and 0.618 and ride it to minus 27, minus 61.8. But that's also incorrect. Where you would draw it from, if I go back, would be here. You draw from the swing low down here all the way to the swing high, and then this would be your Fibonacci target area, and your extension levels would be up here, and you would draw it. That's how you would draw it. How she's drawn it in this particular area is incorrect. Let's just fast forward to what she's saying.
618 or 0.5. 0.61. Watch this magic play out.
This is just pot luck. She's just drawn it in the wrong place.
There we go.
You know, when you press the play button, and you can tell on the top right hand side here, you see, this is just rewinding the charts to put something on there, to then show you, if I press play, it's gonna play out. You know what all of you traders should do, all of you claim to trade, do it in reality. Film it, right, with the time in reality. Don't stop rewinding your charts. Yeah, let's see how you do it in reality. See if your method actually plays out. So yeah, this obviously, of course, is going to go, because remember what I said, it's going to make higher highs, higher lows, high high, high low. So it just made a higher low, higher high, higher low, going to make a high high, etc. until there's a break in structure again. And so yeah, inevitable.
Enter, exit.
One thing I also realized when I scanned her TikTok as well is that you're able to quickly identify that a lot of the work that she is showcasing may not be her own work, and it's very much a lot of people who chart up the same way with this whole fair value gap and BOS break of structure, all of this type of stuff, with this, you know, smart money concept, all this type of stuff that people have been obsessed with over the last few years. Ever notice how comes none of them are actually ever successful? Yeah. And so it's flooded with that. Now, from my understanding, is that she was taught by someone, was working with this individual, has left that individual and started up her own sort of course, getting people to sign up and then charging people a fee, but then will say that it's a free Discord or Telegram or whatever it is, and then charge you along the ways there. And so, yeah, I couldn't tell you that there's much credibility behind the work. She's very much new to the game. She's not been around a long time. Don't be fooled by the social media numbers. It's very easy to manipulate those numbers. And so kerryberryfoy, I don't believe, is a full-time professional trader. If you look at her actual other videos on her platform, which I had a little scan of, there's private jets on there, there's supercars on there, and of course you don't have that. They're not yours. And so I don't know why people feel the need to post up images and stuff like that of stuff that they don't own and doesn't belong to them, right? You should never do that. And so yeah, I don't believe that kerryberryfoy is genuine.